National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Osborne, Kansas, beginning at 04:21 p.m. and ending at 04:51 p.m. Message from NOAA/CAP. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Osborne County in north-central Kansas until 4:45 p.m. CDT. At 4:21 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of or 26 miles north of Russell, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Osborne and rural areas mainly south of Osborne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.